So we're finding hope in a word called stall, as you mentioned earlier. Where does that put you? People are risk averse, but do you feel more like a cautious optimist who sees opportunity in the noise, or a reluctant pessimist who thinks that we're underpricing the risks?
I think I'm a realist. I think what we need to be able to do is to over-prepare. I think just like what the IMF said, we are one of those countries that are most vulnerable, especially when we have a high debt to GDP at 63%. And we have a slowing growth. And we've already seen the impact of inflation at 4.1 just in March. Remember that it took us practically an immediate effect on us on inflation. So the BSP has already provided some measures to cushion the borrowers. So these are already mitigating measures that the BSP has already done. The government has already provided targeted sectors to provide. Again, we cannot, as a government, it's ideal to probably provide for all, but we can only target the most vulnerable sectors.
Exactly.